Kunal and Nooresh join right back in to share with us their chartbuster calls. Kunal, let's get in a take from you first up.
So the stock which I'm discussing is on Axis Bank and how the stock is showing signs of a classical trend in the making. But the interesting part is I've used the Fibonacci retracement tool for the stock to assess the near-term trend for Axis Bank. Now this is the point where the stock started to get into a reversal from the October mid lows. 950 was the level for Axis Bank. From here the stock moved into a very classical kind of an upward trend for itself, came back towards 1150 mark for Axis Bank. Now in the last 2-3 weeks, when the stock has been a bit of an underperformer, it's actually going through a retracement process. As you can see, the retracement process has managed to arrest the stock correction into a 38.2% retracement. Now this is a classical retracement for any kind of a stock which is going through a very slow gradual uptrend for itself, which means that this 1070 odd mark could act as a major support for Axis Bank. And in case if the stock dips down to that level once again, I would believe that this could be a good buying territory for someone who's looking at a contra buy for Axis Bank. Once this retracement is completed, I would expect the stock to start to get into a strong uptrend and hopefully break past above even the 1150 mark. So that's Axis Bank for the stock for the charts over the very short term kind of a view.
Okay, watch out for heavyweight Axis Bank on the charts, according to Kunal. Nooresh, let's find out what you're tracking. It's a stock within the mid-cap universe.
So it's a chart for Varroc Engineering. Now, the stock had earlier seen a sharp correction in 2018 to 20. Then in 2019, and the stock was trying to make a recovery. 500 there were three tops around that 500 mark, corrected all the way down to sub 150 levels. Made a recovery in 2021 closer to 450, 500, again corrected. Same thing in 2022. Finally, in 2023, after some bit of a pause around that area, the stock has given a breakout. And now a new range is being formed around 500 to 580. Classical 3 to 5 year breakout here. Eventually, I would expect it to cross above 580, go towards 700 to 800 mark. So a buy at current levels with a stop loss at 530.
Okay, point taken. So that's the chart best for idea on Varroc Engineering. But what are the individual bets that chartists have? Kunal?
So I'll go with a few pharma names. Strides Pharma is something which looks attractive, about 650 levels. So would suggest a buy with a target of 700, stop loss at 640. And Piramal Pharma is the other stock which is also coming back into a breakout mode of a flag pattern. So would suggest a buy with a target of 150, stop loss at 135.
What about you, Nooresh? What are the ideas that you are spotting on the charts?
So first would be a buy on Laurus Labs. We are seeing good momentum in pharma company. Stop loss at 435, target price of 470. Second is a buy on Federal Bank, which is consolidating. Stop loss at 153, target price of 170.
Okay, there you have it. All your top chartbuster ideas.